Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to create the balloons and parts list part from our explosion drawing that you should have made for your puzzle cube. So we're going to go ahead and go in here and start with another IDW ANSI IDW drawing. So I'm going to open that up. And we're just waiting for the machine to actually load right now. A few seconds. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use our base. I'm going to look for the file I created. So I've got to go digging through here. Go to my drive. I think down near the bottom is going to be my puzzle cube. There we go. And I'm going to load the explosion. So wait a second for that to come up. There it is. Now the size of it is not really that great. So I'm going to size it up to 1.5 scale. That's much better. I'm going to move it into the center of the screen. I'm going to make sure that hidden line removed and shaded are both on, which they are. And I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So that's the first part. Second part of this is I'm going to go to annotate. And down here, I'm going to go to balloon. And I'm going to activate that. And I'm going to click on my first part. And it's going to ask me where the bill of material properties are coming from. And you want to make sure that it is confirmed that it's coming from your assembly drawing. Not the explosion, but the assembly. That's what it's looking for. We're going to click OK. And I'm going to show you how to put these balloons in. So the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to move it right about here. I'm going to go left click. Then I'm going to right click the mouse. And then I'm going to move over here and left click on continue. So again, here we go. Left, right, move over to click on continue. Click here, left, right. This one here, left, right, continue. And finally the black piece, left, right, continue. Okay, we're not quite done yet. We have one more piece we have to add to the drawing. So I'm going to go to the parts list. And here it's asking me to load a document that will supply me with a list of parts for the drawing. So I'm going to go in and actually use my assembly again. This time I actually have to load it before the computer knew what I was looking for. So I click open, and I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to bring this window that's popped up, or this little rectangle, down to the lower left corner and just snap it into the lower left corner. And that's it. So now I have my balloons attached to my parts. And at the bottom of the corner there, I have the parts list. So once I have that in place, I'm going to go ahead and save this. So I have to find my puzzle cube folder. There it is. I'm going to save it as balloon part so that I know that it's kind of a little bit different than the other. Balloon part. So I know that's my balloons and parts list. And there you have it. That would be the final and 15th drawing that you would have done for the puzzle cube.